I just bought the ugliest house that I could find. Now maybe some of you are thinking, wait a second, Leah, did I just hear you correctly? Did you say you had just purchased the ugliest house that you could find? Yep, that's exactly what I just said. I'm gonna take you inside and I'm gonna show you around. And you're gonna be shaking your head like this. You know what, I think Leah's right. I think that that's about the ugliest house I've ever seen. So here's the thing, folks. We're gonna go in. I'm gonna show you around the place. We're gonna talk about the challenges, the surprises with the home, the things that I did not see coming. And I'm gonna talk to you about why I did it and what I've got planned. So let's get in there. The house was built in 1955, and much of the home is dated, as you can see, and many of the design elements are original to the house. Now what you're looking at here is you're looking at two, believe it or not, patio sliding glass doors that separate the family room, oh my goodness, from the living room. And look at the floor. The floor is original here in the family room, but the adjoining living room, it's mighty busy, folks. Now, are you thinking, can it get any worse, Leah? Well, yes, it can. Beyond the fake fireplace and the terrible window treatments, check out these bathrooms. Blue fixtures and pink tile. And if that weren't bad enough, check out this 80s bathroom. No worries, folks, because that's what this video is all about. I'm going to install luxury bathrooms throughout the house, and I'm going to take you along and show you step by step how I'm doing it so you can replicate the same results in your home. Now the kitchen, it was no winner either. But again, we're gonna put in a gourmet kitchen, and I'm gonna take you step by step through it so you can do the same. And yes, there's been some surprises along the way. The in-ground pool leaks. And if that weren't bad enough, so does the pool pump. Now the pool cage is absolutely just grimy, filthy, and it's going to have to be pressure washed. And that came as no surprise. But what did come as a surprise was a gaping hole in the outside bar. Now some of the challenges are typical ones, like, well, exterior painting. The house needs interior paint as well. The laundry room is less than desirable. There are lighting fixtures that are crazy, outdated, and need to be replaced. In the pool area, that's not the only place that needs pressure washing. So does the shop that's located on the property. So we've got some big challenges and we've got some little challenges. There have been those things that did not surprise me, like how dated the house is. But there have been some big surprises that, well, I didn't see coming, like some of the things that I've shown you in this video. I want to show you the biggest surprise of all. Now what it is it's an electrical hack that can kill you. And it got by the inspector. It's called a bootleg ground. And it's a dirty little trick that unethical contractors use to cheat homeowners and fool the inspector into believing that the house is grounded. Now some of you may be asking, Leah, why did you purchase such an ugly house? And the answer may surprise you, and it's kind of simple. Here's the thing. A few weeks ago, I placed a poll on the Seejanedrill community page, and I asked folks, are you living in your dream house? And only 14% of the people that responded said yes, they were. And that's when I made the decision to buy this ugly duckling home, because I wanted to take something and transform it into something incredibly beautiful and then show you how I get there, so many of you can do the same things if you find yourself not satisfied with where you're living. Because real estate today, it just keeps inching higher and higher, and so do those interest rates, and it's making it very difficult for the average person Well, to live in their dream home. If you're not living in your dream house, I want to help you get there. And that's exactly why I purchased this really, really ugly home, so I could show you. You can take anything. You can take anything, including a house like this, and transform it into something really wonderful. Now, if you'd like to learn more about bootleg grounds and why they're so dangerous and could be deadly, just click on this video right here. It'll tell you all about it. And it'll also tell you how to identify a bootleg ground in your own home. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.